Hi beautiful. Well, it's been a long time since I've done a video, but I have a Apocalyptic Beauty Easter basket and stuff here, so decided why not go ahead and do a video and show you guys what we got. So here we go. Alright, so the only thing I did is just took the tape off the box. I haven't even looked in it yet, so I'm pretty excited to see what we have. First we have the Easter Collection eyeshadows here. And these are the Aberrant Easter eggs. First we have Unlikely Metamorphosis, a sparkly kind of pinky color. It's very, very pretty color here. Oh, it's like this pink with gold sparkles. Next we have this really pretty blue, and this is called Tentacle Surprise. Ooh, I really like this one a lot. Do a swatch here. It's like a vibrant teal blue. Next looks like a green. It's called Rebirth, and it looks like a kind of a lime green here. So this is a lime green with, looks like some blue glitter, so it may have a bit of a shift. Let's see. All right, so it is like a very shimmery lime green with, looks like some green and blue, possibly some gold glitter in there. Next we have Carnivorous Egg. These names crack me up sometimes. So this looks like a satin, maybe a metallic-y kind of yellow. Maybe even a matte. I'm running out of room here. All right, let's just go. We're going on the arm, guys. Wow. Yeah, that's like a metallic-y kind of yellow. Oh, this is one that I ordered. I'm actually really excited about. This is from the Beetlejuice collection, and it's One Big Dark Room. Okay, so One Big Dark Room is this really dark red, black-based red, or red-based black, and I saw the swatches of it online and I just like fell in love with it. It's got a little bit of a purple red shift. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but I am like just in love with this color. The next thing that we have here is a lip balm. This is Pink Lemonade, and I did get a little sample here in this order, and it's this like really pretty champagne color. This is called Ghoul Gala, and I wonder if this is a highlighter, an eyeshadow. So this actually looks like it could be like a really pretty highlighter. That was the Easter Collection eyeshadows here. There are 4 of them, and they can come in a set or you can get them individually. So the 4 that were in the Easter Collection were the Unlikely Metamorphosis, which was the first really pretty pink with glitter. Rebirth, which is the shimmery lime green. We got the Carnivorous Egg, which is like a matte yellow. And then we have the Tentacle Surprise, which is the really bright, pretty blue. That was the Easter one. So, moving on to our Gothic Easter baskets. I'm so excited. I wait for these every year. All of the baskets that they do are absolutely insane. So, let's look at what you could possibly get. And, you know, the little bunny is just so freaking adorable. So what you can get is 1 exclusive eyeshadow. You could get 1 exclusive glitter. You can get 1 exclusive face product, 1 travel size bottle of badass setting spray, which literally is badass and I cannot live without. 1 lip product plus 2 additional products, candy, and other surprises. So that is what we could get. So let's go ahead and get it open. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the little Easter basket. It's absolutely adorable. Every year it's so awesome. So we'll crack into that, but there's something else. Okay, this must be the setting spray and it didn't fit into the basket. So we'll save that one for last. Actually, no. We're gonna go ahead and open this one first because I really wanna know what scent we got. So this one we got is Citrus Ginger, which is super exciting. This is actually one that I ordered. So it was actually separate than the basket. I did forget that I ordered one. So this is not part of the Easter one. This is just the full size that I ordered. Moving on to the Easter basket now. I don't want to take it apart. It's so cute. Okay, we're gonna try to leave it together. We did get some candy. We got some sweethearts and a lollipop and some stickers, it looks like. All right, looks like we got 2 glitters here. Let's see here. First one is Rhapsody of Pastel, and this is like a really bright pink. So we have some, let's see if I can not dump it. So it's like pink with little star speckles and big, you know, like the comic books where they have like bang, pow, boom. Yeah, that's kind of like what's in here. But it's like bright pink, and there looks like there's a little bit of orange and maybe some yellow in there too. And then this other one is Bunny Blue. Oh, yay. I was hoping I would get this one. And this one is, as I get it everywhere. So this one's actually really cute. It's got little blue bunnies and all kinds of stuff. So it's like on the bottom of my hand here. But they got these like little bunnies, little blue bunny heads, and then like just different shapes of different sizes of the circles. They're like blue and white and iridescent and like different colors. All right, next. Oh, there is another little skull one. So I have a green one, a lime green one from last year's box. Now I have purple, which is awesome because like purple is my favorite color. And let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, yay. All right, so we got the Celestial highlighter. All right, so this is like a light, almost like a light green highlight. Now, I know some of you are like, oh my gosh, green highlighter, like how do you pull that off? It's really easy. If it does come out a little too pigmented for you, you can always put some translucent powder over it, and it will knock down the color without knocking down the highlight too much. But this one is kind of like a soft green with a little bit of gold, so I think that would look kind of really nice. A lot of times I use these as like inner corner highlights. All right, so what else do we get? We got this little, this little graveyard toy. That's gonna be really cute just on my little vanity. I always have like little things like that. And an eyeball. Okay, that's kind of cute. Aha. Okay, so for anyone who's interested, I'll go ahead and put the link down below to the Easter basket. The Aberrant Easter Egg Eyeshadow Collection, the set of 4 is $18, and then you can get the there is a glitter duo as well. There's blushes, there's like all kinds of stuff. If you're interested in getting the little Easter basket, it's $20, and you'll get a setup similar to this. They don't all look the same. They may be different colors with, you know, different color eggs and stuff like that in there. But I'll go ahead and link everything down below as well as a discount code so you can save some money while you're at it. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I hope to do more of them. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks.